sorry to bother you, ma'am, but have you seen this girl by chance? She went missing around here. Her name's Maria.
Why don't you come on inside and have a seat? Let me get a better look.
You sure? I don't want to intrude.
Oh, nonsense. I wouldn't hear of it. Come on in, sweetie. Oh, now would you look at that? Ain't she a pretty little thing? Is this your sister?
Girlfriend, and I'm getting pretty worried about her.
That's just horrible. You want some of this here tea, honey? It's fresh.
No, thank you, ma'am. I'm in a bit of a hurry, if you don't mind.
Oh. Well, you know what? I think I do recognize her. Yeah, she come round here sticking her pretty little nose where it don't belong. You ain't never gonna find her. And they ain't never gonna find you. You little shit!